Hello friends, welcome to our channel AI World with JSR with another video. Today we are going to talk about how AI is in your Android phone and how you can use it, so let's start. Imagine having a personal assistant, a professional photographer, a battery manager, a security guard, and a hands-free controller all in your pocket. No, this is not a futuristic fantasy. It's the reality of AI in your Android phone. The chief AI technology in Android phones is none other than Google Assistant. It leverages natural language literacy and machine learning to understand user queries, take actions, and offer personalized recommendations. From setting reminders to answering your most random questions, Google Assistant is your reliable companion in the digital realm. Next, we delve into the world of camera enhancements. Many Android smartphones utilize AI for scene recognition, face recognition, and image adjustment. This means better photos as settings are optimized based on the scene and subject. It's like having a professional photographer offering you tips and tricks right in your device. Battery optimization is another area where AI does its magic. Android devices use AI to optimize battery usage, learning which apps you frequently use and managing battery allocation to prioritize them. This not only extends your battery life but also enhances your overall user experience. Security features are not to be overlooked when discussing AI's role in Android phones. Biometric authentication methods, such as facial recognition, can utilize AI. Machine learning techniques improve these methods over time, bolstering security. Lastly, the feature of voice assistants can also be found in Android phones, allowing you to control your phone and perform various actions just by speaking. This is especially beneficial for those times when your hands are full or you're on the move. Despite these technical proficiencies, it's always best to check the local manufacturer and brand's website for technical details and software updates of new AI features. In conclusion, AI in Android phones is a multifaceted tool, enhancing user experience in various ways, from photography to battery management and security to voice assistance. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse, making our lives not just easier but smarter. If you like our video and you want to see more such videos, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications. Thank you for watching our video.